Hello loves, I hope this video finds you well. Of course you're well if you've seen this day and you have a reason to thank God for giving you this day. Okay, today I'm making kangumu and I'm going to leave the measurement of the ingredients in the description box, so be sure to check them. And what I'm going to do now is explain the basics of making the half cakes, the kangumus. We call it kangumus here in Kenya. Other people call them half cakes, whatever you call it. But what I've come to realize is that the dough of kangumu is not that soft. You use less water while making kangumu. And then another thing, you don't need the dough for a long time. You just mix it so that everything just gets incorporated and there's no flour hanging around. Yeah, and another thing is, while deep frying, you are not supposed to use the same heat that you use while making mandazis and the other things, the other snacks. So the amount of fire is different, a little bit different. And I realized that if you want your kangumus to come out kupasuka, yani that is the signature of kangumu. Kitaka ipasuke, you need to lower the heat. You just play with the heat. You lower the heat, you increase, you lower, you increase, like that until the kangumus are ready. That is the secret. Those are the main secret about making the kangumus. I hope I've helped you in a way. So let us continue watching and see how these kangumus came out. When dividing the dough, the thickness of the rolled dough has to be a bit thicker than the mandazi. While you're making mandazi, see, it's about an inch or a half an inch. So this will allow the kangumus, when you put this in the oil, it will itafura na itapasuka. That is the essence of it all. Okay, yes, this is the temperature that you need before you dip the nini. It shouldn't be higher. It might look cold, but it's hot. When I touched it, it was burning, but not that burning. So this is the temperature you require while making the kangumus. You'll just go on reducing and increasing as you go. You just check. It shouldn't bubble so much. Again, when the oil is not hot enough, those kangumus will suck oil. The oil will go inside the kangumus and you won't like it. So you need to master this thing. The first time you try, it might fail, but as you're failing, you learn something. Just try. So the kangumus are all ready. Thanks for watching. They are so sweet. And don't forget to subscribe, and please share, like, and comment down below. See you in the next video.